Sahitya Bhavan presents Complete Adhyan, a topic-wise textbook for subject English, Class 12, UP Board. This book is according to the new syllabus prescribed by Madhyamik Shiksha Parishad, UP, Prayagraj. The book has complete theory, complete question answers, and complete self-assessment. The book includes the following content: text-wise Hindi translation for better understanding, summary of the lesson has been given in both English and Hindi language, glossary in both Hindi and English language, character sketch of all the characters in the chapter, complete solution of NCERT textbook exercises, additional variety of multiple choice questions, short and long questions are also provided in the book. At the end of each chapter or poem, Assess Yourself part is given for self-assessment. Answers of the Assess Yourself exercise have been given on our website www.sahityabhavan.co.in. The book is available in both the formats, the printed book and the e-book. You can buy the printed book online from our website www.sahityabhavan.co.in or Amazon or Flipkart. You can buy the e-book online from our website. To buy, you can scan this QR code or you can also click on the link provided in the description box. For any query, you can call us at 8958500333 or WhatsApp at 8958500021. You can also email us at info@sahityabhavan.co.in. Subscribe our channel to get more updates.